Good morning students. Let us start a new topic today, that is cell structure and function. So in your lower classes you have learned about various types of things. There were living things and non-living things, and we have also learned that living things have certain characteristics. They do different functions also. Let us see what are the different characteristics of a living thing. They respond to stimulus. Like if anyone is any bright light is coming towards you, you will try to close your eyes. Then they show movement. We are living things. We are able to move from one place to other. Then we also need food to eat. That means they require nutrition, and we grow also. We were not the same from our starting. We were once a young child, but then we have grown this much. Next, we also respire. We know that oxygen is very much important for life, survival. So we respire also, and we have thinking capacity also. Unlike non-living things, we have thinking capacity. We can think and do many things. And reproduction is also seen in living beings. So these were some of the characteristics which we have already learned. You might have seen the walls of a room. Do you know how it is made? It is made by joining several bricks together like this. So many bricks are joined together and then we get one wall. Same way, in our body also, one small unit is there, which is the basic structural and functional unit of life. That is called cell, like this. It looks like a brick only, but it is having nucleus and it is having cytoplasm. It has cell membrane or nuclear membrane also. So about all these things, I will be telling you in detail. What is cell? Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life, and many cells combine to form a tissue. A group of tissue combine to form organ. Group of organs form organ system. And in our body we have so many organ systems. Then we become organisms. Like us, many organisms are there on this earth. So it is called a biosphere. I hope you understood the hierarchy. Cell, tissue, organ system, organism, biosphere. About all these things we will be learning in detail. Dear students, as you are aware, we are learning about cell structure and function. Today, let me tell you about how the cell was discovered. So, in 1665, a scientist named Robert Hooke, he was observing cork. What is meant by a cork? It is the part of bark, that is outer covering of a tree, and it is very hard also. So, he was observing a cork. He made thin slices of the cork and then observed under a magnifying device. At that time microscopes were not there. So what he observed was something like this. It looked like a honeycomb compartment, and each one was separated by walls. These are the separations. So he called each compartment as a cell, and he also observed that these were dead cells, because at that time microscope was not there. Then later, that is after 150 years or so, improved microscopes with very high magnification power were made, and this is how the discovery of cell took place. Dear children, let us learn about cell in detail. Let us try to define it first. The smallest structural and functional unit of an organism is called cell. Let me repeat it once again. The smallest structural and functional unit of an organism is called cell. For example, hen's egg. It is a single cell. Though it is looking big and can be seen with an unaided eye, still it is a single cell. Another example is onion peel cell. That, for example, for plant cell. It will look something like this under a microscope with so many compartments. as we have discussed earlier. Organisms also show variations in cell number, whether they have single cell, two cell or more than two cell. Then their shape and cell size also varies. They may be very small to very big. Let us see how many types of organisms are there. There are mainly two types of organisms. One is unicellular organism, one is multicellular organism. Organisms whose body consists of single cell are called unicellular organisms. Some of the examples are amoeba, paramecium, euglena, bacteria, etc. Now let us see what do you mean by multicellular organisms. So, organisms whose body consists of many cells are called multicellular organisms. Examples for multicellular organisms are most plants and animals, including human beings.